What's up guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roblox password without using your email. So if you've lost your email, then don't worry, because with this trick you can actually reset your password. Now first of all, you want to go to your login, and then right there you can actually go ahead and log in, but you don't know the password, right? So what you can do next, you want to click on forget password or username, and then right there they're going to ask you to enter your email address to reset your password, but you don't know the email address, right? So what you can then do, instead of entering your email address, you can actually click on use phone number to reset password. Let me do that right now. Then you're gonna select your country. So I'm in the Netherlands right now. Let's see if I can find the Netherlands. There we go. Then you can actually enter your phone number. So let me do that right now. I'm gonna block that, by the way. And then once you did that, you can actually click on submit. And then as you can see right there, they're gonna send you a 6-digit code. So I actually just received that. Let me just enter this. There we go, 5153. And then once you got that code, you can click on verify. And then right there, I should actually be able to change my password. Yeah, there we go. Right now, I can actually go ahead and reset my password. So let me just do that right now. There we go. Let's just do that once again. Okay, once you did that, you can click on submit, and then you should be able to get back into your account. Let's see if this works for me. Yes, there we go. So right now, I actually just reset my password without using my email address. And that's exactly how you can reset your password. If this works out, then make sure you leave a like. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well, and let me know in the comment section down below if this actually works, so that you can help other people out as well. But have fun inside Roblox.